All right, guys, if you made it this far in the video, thanks so much for watching.
Yep, first 20 seconds, perfect.
Yes. We lose a lot of people.
You have a huge attention span.
We lose some people in the first 30 seconds of going to YouTube. So
because of this.
you know what? People like to see us have fun.
Anyways, you clicked on the title. You know this is the long-awaited trading the mousetrap away video.
I had this car traded off a month and a half ago, but this guy, who's been out of the picture, made me do a Hornet video by myself.
I've been working hard.
You know what? You guys gave us over 200 views on that Hornet video. Honestly,
brother, that's more than the Nova video greater.
Almost, yeah.
Oh,
yeah, if you guys haven't seen Connor go 9s with the Nova, go watch that video. For whatever reason, it's really struggling.
Yeah, it hurt me to see that.
And the Hornet video has almost caught up.
I think it has 4 doors, but 2 of them swing the wrong way.
just like you. So,
hey, whoa.
So, yeah, wow.
Rude.
So, okay, we've seen photos of this vehicle. The person that we're trading with actually came to the shop and did an inspection on the mousetrap. Blows my mind still that he wanted it. We have seen photos of the vehicle that we're picking up, so we might think the last time I felt like I was getting the better of the deal, I got screwed. We are 17 minutes away, and we will see you guys when we get there.
It's got a caddy on wires. This is definitely the spot.
It's got a bunch of cars on wires.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh, man.
Oh, no. I see it. Oh, that is sweet. All right, we're trading for this Lincoln. Oh, sweet. What a sweet hot rod. Oh yeah, this is cherry. What happened to the dash?
It's all there.
Okay.
It's all hair.
Holy. Dude, it's a stick. Let's go.
What?
Yeah, it's manual.
No way. Oh,
It's
shit.
hilarious. I love it.
It's a good thing you already know how to drive standard.
It's yeah. It's true. Are we gonna have to winch this thing on the trailer? Yeah.
Let's put a battery in it.
Oh, we got a battery.
It'll run. It'll drive.
Okay.
Long well.
Perfect.
That's even better.
I like that it's got the high performance filter, but it's not actually hooked up to
No,
anything.
that's cherry.
It's good. All the fuses
Perfect
are
for
there.
the brake cleaner.
It's ready to go. Direct port nitrous injection. Become quite fond of the old girl. We had a lot of laughs with it on the cheap, and it made everyone laugh. That starter, you can't replicate that. That's the way you start it on the firewall. You just can't beat it. Everyone who saw it laughed. It's the end of an era, man.
We're done.
One last time. That's
Okay,
it.
we're done.
It fits. Sick. It's got a short out on the hood.
Oh, this is too short. Fuck.
Go get some wire.
Fuck's sake. All right.
You
Well,
want booster cables?
yes.
For real?
Yeah. That would get the job done. That would. Really didn't think this one through here.
What's on the lift? I can't tell if we're winning or not.
What a cherry rig. All I'm gonna say, cherry rig.
It's gonna look good at the coffee shop.
The man and his new hot rod.
I can't believe this worked. I think right now we're coming out on top.
Right. It does have 4 doors.
I think we're coming out on top. Was it a 3-door?
I was right.
Has it got the one that the back seat
Oh,
that sits
I
sideways?
don't know.
Oh, it was a 3-door for sure.
We're not coming out on top. It might strap at 4 door handles. All right, that's
Just like the mousetrap, the back doors then opens.
that's staying closed.
I love that it smells like a junkyard in there.
It does.
It's
It
got
smells
that
like
smell.
bucks.
Yeah, it's got the smell. So, I don't know how I didn't think of that song right off the bat, but so far, loving it.
How do you put the seat back? Oh yeah.
You look right at home in there.
Brother. Figure that one out. Pick the one on this side as the guess.
Can only be wrong once.
Yeah, it can only arc out once and cause a fire. Oh.
We're
We got
live.
spark. We got spark.
All right. Moment of truth.
So you said straight off the bat, just straight to the floor?
See what happens. It's feeling like it.
Make sure it's not in gear.
Make sure it's in first gear.
Ooh, those lights. Sounds good. Back it up.
Look at the gear.
Back.
Wait for it. Oh, yes.
What is going on, man?
Yeah, it's the motor because it's misfiring so bad.
Okay.
Look how much the motor's moving.
This thing sounds bad.
It's got a check engine light. I wonder why.
Dude, you're gonna make some woman so proud, so happy.
Oh my goodness.
This way. It's so bad. It's so bad.
Keep going.
The exhaust is gone.
No, I think it's good.
Oh, it was.
Are we on?
Your number one speed shot, buddy. Can you just dump the clutch? All right, we're
You're winching it on.
frame's bottomed
Hold
out.
on, this is a lack of skill issue here.
Okay, you want me in there?
Just winch it on.
What are you gonna do?
Well, the frame's on the trailer now.
Oh, it is?
Oh, I was before.
Oh,
It is.
That's what I heard, yeah.
all right.
I mean, I think you should try it one more time.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we know it does burnouts.
Brother,
Watch the door.
it basically runs mint.
Shifter.
Oh, we were so close.
Very close.
We were so close. At the end there, my foot was stuck under the gas and like trying to like two foot it. And I'm like, this is not good.
Can we drop a name right now just because I love it?
What? You go for it.
What?
What?
So, as you guys know, every vehicle needs a name, right?
Yeah.
This guy comes up with Blues Cruise, which I think's honestly awesome. So we had Project Mousetrap, we got Blue Balls, now we got Blues Clues.
Blues Clues.
Blues
Now we're getting
Cruise.
copywritten. Blues Cruise, me. I'm just wiring my hot rod.
You're getting really good at
I'm
this.
somewhat of a wiring expert, honestly.
The ingenuity blows my mind with you sometimes.
All right, if there's big sparks. Oh, I think we're good.
I hear fuel pump.
I think we're golden. All right, I'm just gonna close the door on my wiring. Done.
Dude, come check out these lights.
Oh!
Blues Cruise, buddy. It's good. This like sounds like a two-stroke golf cart. No way. I cannot believe it. We traded Mousetrap for this thing. It sounds like a golf cart.
Bro, the check engine light went away.
It went away.
It needs nothing. Oh yeah, ghost can, baby. I don't know, brother. It cleans right up. It cleans right up with RPM.
That was 5,000 RPM.
Well, I got it to 6,000 before. Yeah, let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive. Get in the passenger seat with the battery.
It sounds like the exhaust has a knock. It's hilarious. The smoke is too much. I thought we couldn't beat Mousetrap dollar for laughs, but this is a contender.
Oh, babe, we got places to be.
I'm not sitting on that, man.
Why not? Sitting in the front seat with the battery, no big deal. Wow, I was gonna see that on camera.
Dude, this is too good for us.
Dude, this thing's mint.
We got the better half of the deal on this
Third
one.
gear, maybe not mint.
Is it running?
Ooh, is it running?
No.
No. Ah, crap. This is exactly like the Mousetrap.
I'm not pushing it.
You drove to the
Does
end
it
of
have?
the road.
We have no idea if it's got any.
Oh,
the Nova did that
I
too.
have no idea if it has gas.
Gotta wait for the compression stroke.
It's coming. Oh yeah. I gotta feather the clutch from 5K down.
Dude, it's too good. I love the battery cable.
Oh yeah, it's mint.
It's not
Except
running.
for the fact that it keeps stalling. And I don't know what my foot is getting hung up on the brake. Oh, you got a quarter tank, man.
Well, we have no idea if that's accurate.
Why wouldn't it be? It's a GM.
Did you check the engine?
Yeah, it was vibrating before. It had to be there.
Clear with the carburetor? No, it's fine.
Where's the oil pressure gauge?
Where's the...
Is there one? Oh yeah. It's got like 400. Oh! Was that the oil pan? I hope not.
Of course I wasn't.
Oh. Oh, okay, we're going forwards there. Never mind. Never mind.
I
Never
wasn't
mind.
filming. I don't know if we ripped the oil pan off trying to get
Never
in the shot.
mind. That could have been the oil pan. Oh, shoot. I forgot how to drive manual there. Driver mod. Oh no, we still got oil pressure. We're good. What? Boy, that was so big.
It's pretty abrupt. This thing is smoking so bad. It's all the. What do you say was in the tank? Diesel?
Trying to feather it in. Oh yeah, we're good now. It only
Just
scraped a little bit.
Straight frame.
Okay. I think I'm in neutral. I can't tell if it's in neutral or if
See?
it's just idling.
No, it's fine.
It's smoothed out. We're good.
Has it got oil pressure?
Yeah.
It's got RPM? Yeah.
Dude, it gets on the two-step fast.
It's got
Fast.
it's got dump valves.
I wonder what rubbed.
Probably frame.
Well, no kidding. It was.
Well, it wasn't the oil pan.
I wasn't able to go any further.
It wasn't the oil pan.
Let's turn this minty rig off. I love the color match door handles. What are you laughing at? What's so funny?
Dude, this thing is so. It smells so bad. Dude, look at the show.
Oh! We still got a side quest in this video.
I haven't laughed like that since we blew the air filter lid off the Cadillac.
I'm digging the powder coated valve cover though.
And the matching NGK wires.
Yeah.
Oh, you even painted the pulley.
I'm telling you, it's high class unit right here.
So 1 out of 10. Where are we at for a trade here?
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
We're on the YouTube scale or on the actual scale?
On the we did good scale.
Oh, I'd say this is an 11. The smoke.
So full disclosure, we don't own the wheels. Those have to go back.
Yeah.
Big things coming. Dude, I think we should leave the battery right there, honestly.
I like this wiring job. This is bang up.
It's almost mouse trap.
I am gonna unplug it in case I have a shot fire.
It's okay. You don't work on cars anymore.
Oh, he didn't even body work the inner rockers here. What are you doing?
Ooh.
Brother, we're gonna have to put some I'm gonna have to hire you to spray paint those. What scraped? Oh yeah, definitely this transmission cross member thingy. Or that bar.
Yeah, what is that bar back there?
Oh, fuck that. Oh, that probably holds the carry bearing.
It's fucking important.
Dude, this thing is so low.
I love that this headlight's just hanging in here. we should just put this in the passenger seat too.
Hey! Hey! Don't be touching my hot rod here.